Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spigots ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik digdig nag-uumapa ang biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So guys, kumapit ka dahil ito namin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages give me information for the sign of Taurus. Ano ang pinaka-messages advices for you ng ating mga gabay? There's a Nine of Pentacles. There's a blossoming abundance. So, may paglago, no? May paglago. And of course, there's a financial independence, no? Talagang maaasahan ka pagdating sa finances. And kasi sinasabi dito, there's an abundance. Parating na yung abundance na to at magkakaroon ka ng recovery pagdating sa finances. At mag-ingat ha. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng lack of mindsets. Kumbaga, nahihirapan ka kung paano mo palalaguin ang finances mo or something. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng worries, no, about sa pera, no, about sa finances mo. And of course, don't worry, there's a reward of effort. So, ibig sabihin, you need to take an action. Kung hindi ka magte-take ng action, walang mangyayari. So, ibig sabihin, tendency, magkakaroon ka ng poverty or financial loss, no? So, ibig sabihin, you need to take an action para at least nang sa ganun, maranasan itong blooming for finances, no? Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Five of Cups. There's a regret or something moving on. Now, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ng siguro, it's an opportunity to learn na may mga bagay na panghihinayang, no? Or something disappointments. Ganun talaga. Additional messages. And of course, there's the lovers. So, ibig sabihin, there's a unified love. There's a deep soul connections. And of course, there's a choices, no? And of course, there's a Seven of Wands. So, protect your power, protect your energy, no? Protectionan mo kung anong grounds mo, yung territory mo, kung ano man ang meron sa'yo, ano mang pag-aari mo, no? Protectionan mo. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. There's too many virgins or extra responsibilities, no? Kumbaga, marami ka man responsibilidad, pero sinasabi sa'yo dito, there is some success coming in for you, no? Kumbaga, makakausad, makakaalis ka sa situation. So, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles. And of course, there's the Wheel of Fortune. Wow! There's a good luck, no? Kumbaga talaga turning into your favor. So, umikot na yung kapalaran, T. So, there's an unexpected events or something karma coming in for you, no? So, let's see what is the Five of Pentacles. And of course, there's Ace of Wands. So, there's a new beginning coming in for you. May bagong simula daw dito. At tendency, magkakaroon ka ng recovery. And of course, don't you worry about sa finances kasi magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion dito. Kumbaga, kailangan alisin mo yung worries mo. And of course, isolations. No? Nagkakaroon ka kasi ng pangamba or something. So, kailangan mo alisin yan. No? Kasi hindi ka makapag-isip kapag ganyan. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time. So, at the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga may mga bagay na nawala or may mga bagay na natapos. So, it's an opportunity, no, na para matutunan mo yung mga disappointment or something rejections, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na hindi binigay sa'yo ng mga time na yon kasi hindi para sa'yo yon. So, ibig sabihin, darating yung para sa'yo, no? Antayin mo lang yon. So, let's see what is the Lovers. Let's see what is the Lovers. So, there's a Three of Swords. So, maraming inggitera, no? Marami na inggit sa relasyon nyo. Marami nagsiselos or something, no? And of course, there's an emotional pain, something ganon, no? Let's see what is the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Wands. So, there's a Queen of Swords, no? There's a bigger picture. Dapat tingnan mo yung sarili mo, no? Maging matalino ka sa isang decision na to. At maging patas ka sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Protectionan mo yung sarili mo at i-clear mo yung boundaries, no? Nasa ganun, hindi sila makapasok sa'yo, no? At para hindi maka-apekto, di ba? Yung mga sasabihin nila or something na gagawin nila, di ba? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a two of wands. So, there's a two path, no? There's a choices decision. So, there's a first step. May mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin nang sa ganun ay makausad ka na, no? So, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles and of course, the Wheel of Fortune. What is the Nine of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune? Angel Spirit Guide. So, there's a Ten of Pentacles. Wow! There's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, talaga there's a wealth, no? And a financial security. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng pangmatagalang finances. Di yung pasabog. Ang ganda. There's a good karma coming in for you, no? There's a roots talaga, no? Kung ano yung pinanggalingan mo talaga, no? So, sinasabi sa dito na ito yung magsisilbing pang long-term success mo. So, let's see what is the Five of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles. There's a practicality. So, and of course, kailangan mag-practical ka pagdating sa finances, no? And you are a security provider. So, alam mo kung ano yung pangahawakan mo. At maging maingat ka lang, no? But being protective, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. Lalo-lalo yung mga opportunities na papasok. And of course, there's a Nine of Wands. So, there's a perseverance. May mga bagay na kailangan mo pagtiyagaan, no? Kumbaga, at the end of the time mo mag-harvest ka, gano'n. So, kailangan mo mag-antay, di ba? So, there's boundaries and last stand. So, kailangan mo talagang tumayo sa sarili mo paa or something kailangan mo panindigan yung mga bagay-bagay or lalo na yung decisions mo. Let's see what is the Lovers and the Three of Swords. There's a Seven of Cups. There's a lot of opportunities coming in for you. No? There's a lot of choices and many options. So, kailangan maging aware ka, no? Hindi, kumbaga itong bagay na to, kapag alam mong nakasakit sa'yo at nagbigay sa'yo ng depression, let it go, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan, lalo-lalo na yung mga taong nananakit, mga taong papanakit, lalo na yung mga taong, di ba? Kumbaga, sinaktan ka, talagang ginamit ka, dinurog ka, gano'n. Kumbaga, at least alam mo na yung karakas nila, diba? So, let's see what is the Seven of Wands and of course the Queen of Swords. So, there's an Hermit card. There's a soul searching. No, kumbaga about sa spiritual, no, kailangan tingnan mo yung bigger picture of yourself, mag-set ka ng boundaries nang sa ganun hindi ka na pinapasukan ng mga negativities and toxicities, no? Like a black magic involved kasi you are being protected, no? Protektado ka na. So, ibig sabihin dito, bakit ka, kumbaga, sinasabi dito, gamayan mo yung mga bagay tao, lalo-lalo na yung tao sa paligid mo, diba? There's a fair fight. And kasi sinasabi dito, kailangan mo liwanagin at unawain yung nangyayari behind your back. So, kailangan maging aware ka. Kasi mamaya there's a possibilities, may mga hidden intentions sila. So, kailangan maging aware ka. So, let's see what is the Ten of Wands and the Two of Wands. So, there's a Four of Swords. So, listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feelings, no? Lagi kang makikinig sa iyong vibrations, even your inner voice, no? So, there's kailangan mo rin magpahinga, no? There's, kumbaga, there is a stress by your thoughts, no? Yung mga iniisip mo, pagod ka na dyan, no? You are exhausted. So, kailangan, kailangan mong magpahinga, diba? Bawiin ang yung energy. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you is the Knight of Swords in reverse. So, ibig sabihin, there's a recovery from the fear and recovery from the pain. And of course, there's a healing and relief, no? Para magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga kaluwagan sa kaisipan, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng releasing fear. Parang gano'n, inaalis mo na yung takot at pangamba mo. And kasi sinasabi dito, there's an Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough. Wow, there's a truth behind. So, sinasabi sa dito, lahat ng katotohanan malalantad na. Lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mo makikita mo na. Ganon, kalaga. At magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong ideas. And of course, magkakaroon ka ng bagong new visions, no? Na magdadala sa iyo ng inner truth. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Six of Wands. So, there's a victory and success. So, at the end of the time, magtatagumpay ka daw dito, no? And of course, there's the Fool card, no? There's a new beginning and of course, the leap of faith, no? Sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo sa ating Panginoon. So, dito ka sinusubok, no? There's a new horizon, new path, no? Kailangan na magtiwala ka sa mga bagay na pinagkakalob sa iyo ng universe. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. And there's a separation. Some of you nagkaroon ng separation, hindi lang to sa relationship, pati sa family, pati sa friends, no? Nagkaroon ng separation. And of course, there's a hammer, no? Sabotage, no? Some of you sabotahi ka na. Or something, kailangan mo nang buuin yung mga bagay na nasira na, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Okay, there's a feminine. So, meron ditong babaeng involved, no? There is a feminine. If you are feminine na Taurus, you are here. So, if you are a man na Taurus, so, ibig sabihin na, if you are a man na Taurus, ibig sabihin may, meron dito kinalaman yung feminine o babae, no? If you are babaeng Taurus by feminine dito, it's either you are a trans man or transgender or something, no? And there's a spiritual guide. So, ginagabayan ka raw ng ating mga angel spirit guides, additional messages, and of course, there is a release. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan, may mga bagay na kailangan mong alisin. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Oh, there's an everything is okay. So, sinasabi dito, don't worry, it all working out in the beautiful way. So, ibig sabihin, huwag kang mangamba, no? Lahat na nangyayari sa'yo, in the beautiful way. Ibig sabihin, sa magandang dahilan, sa magandang eksena. So, may mga bagay opportunity ka hindi nakukuha. So, baka may darating na opportunity mas maganda pa. Parang ganon. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Let's see what is the romance angels. Let's see what is the romance angels. Okay, there's a codependency. Ibig sabihin, addictions are affecting your romantic life. So, if you are, kumbaga, Taurus, no? Kumbaga, minsan sa inyong relasyon, meron something addictions, no? May mga bagay kasing addictions, hindi lang siya about sa ano. Kumbaga, or some of you may addictions talaga, no? Kailangan to maging balance kasi nakaka-apekto to sa relasyon, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life for Moonology. Ano kasi sinasabi, meditation bring answer and meditation and contemplate. Na kailangan mo mag-meditate, no? And of course, nothing is set in stone. So, hindi pa napapanahon ngayon. Yun yung sinasabi, di ba? May mga bagay na hindi pa para ngayon, para sa'yo ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, may mga bagay na kailangan mo antayin. And of course, there's a not take time to break out. No? Kailangan mong pag-isipan, kailangan mong huminga na malalim, na kailangan mo talagang gumugol ng oras at panahon para nang sa ganun maunawaan mo at malaman mo yung mga bagay na para sa'yo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. Self-respect. So, some of you, kailangan mo respeto sa sarili kasi may nag-over fatigue kasi masyado mong pinupuwersa yung sarili mo, no? Minsan na sumusobra ka na, kumbaga, masyado mong inaano yung sarili mo, na kaya mo kahit hindi mo kaya, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mong alagaan din yung sarili mo. Respetuhin yung sarili mo. And focus upon divine perfect health. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo focus sa health mo, no? And of course, actions so that they support may well-being. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan supportahan mo yung health mo. Kapag may mga bagay na nararamdaman ka, kailangan mo magpahinga or something, take medicines, ganun. And of course, honor and trust your feelings. So, magtitiwala ka lagi sa vibration and instinct mo, no? Kasi minsan may mga angel spirit messages tayong hinahatid sa atin para maunawaan mo yung mga bagay or signs na hinahatid or baka may mga paalala, ganon, or something, pay attentions. So, let's see what is the energy. Ano kasi sinasabi dito, there is a strategy, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong gumamit ng strategy. And there's a reward card. There's a lot of trouble and appreciations. May mga bagay na kailangan marunong ka mag-appreciate. Malit man yan or malaking bagay, no? So, let's see what is the chakra messages for you. And there's a soulmate. So, some of you, there's a soulmate connections. And there's an expansion. Mukhang papalawakin ang kaalaman mo, no? Papalawakin ang kakayanan mo or something finances. No? And of course, there's an impatience. Nawawalan ka ng pasensya, parang nagiging kabugnutin. So, kung gusto mo, nagmamadali ka sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Kailangan mo munang mag-antay, no? So, ibig sabihin, huwag ka masyado padalos-dalos. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's winter for release. May mga kailangan kang alisin. May mga kailangan kang baguhin. And there's an evolution, see? Diba? Nag-grow ka na, so kailangan nag-grow din yung iyong kaisipan. And there's a movement, so kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a change. May mga bagay na kailangan talaga magbago. No? There's a movement. And of course, there's some denial, no? I-acknowledge mo daw yung fear na yan. Palitan mo daw yan ng awareness. Yes, of course, na may mga bagay na kinakatakutan ka. Pero kailangan mo palitan yan ng mga awareness na para nag-iingat ka lang, ganito. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a healer. So, some of you are also a healer. Or some of you kailangan mo ng healer. Additional messages. And of course, there's a music. So, some of you, yung mga music daw nakakatulong sa'yo for healing, ha? So, let's see what is additional messages. Parang gumagaan yung pakiramdam mo pag may mga naririnig kang tugtog. Pero kasi sa dito, there's a you got the love. So, there's a boundaries. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries sa mga taong mahal mo. No? So, let's see what is a Jesus loving quotes. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Blessed are they that hear the word and keep it, no? I mean, bless daw yung mga taong nakikinig, no? At naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos, no? Yun, yung mga taong binibless. So, let's see what is the Archangel Raphael messages for you. What is Archangel Raphael messages for you? As your body for a massage. Oh, kailangan mo talaga daw ng massage. No, kailangan mo ng massage kasi may mga nananakit sa katawan mo. So, kailangan mo ng massage. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. I am supported. So, sinasabi dito with the angel's number, you are encouraging you to continue on your present life path and determinations and even greater success will come into the near future, no? Parang talaga sinasabi, sinusuportan ka ng angel spirit na matupad yung mga pangarap mo na kailangan mo lang daw magpatuloy na sa ginagawa mo nang sa ganun magsasucess ka in the near future. So, meron tayong angel's answer, guys. So, may katanungan kayo, mag-isip kayo ng mga bagay na gusto nyo itanong. So, nandito yung kasagutan. Ha, bibilang na ako na 3, kailangan nakapag-isip ka. Ito magiging, magiging answer ng question na yan. So, okay. Okay, umpisahan na tayo, ha. 1. 2. 3. So, ito yung magiging sagot sa mga katanungan mo. Okay? Ready? Angel's answer, give me information for the sign of Taurus. Angel's answer, give me information for the sign of Taurus. Okay. Angel's answer, give me information for the sign of Taurus. Please answer their questions. Okay, sinasabi there's a no, no? May mga bagay na marunong ka dapat humindi or kailangan mo humindi or hindi pwede. Okay, another answers pa. Give me information. And there's a recovery. No, sinasabi dito makaka-recover ka na. No? And of course, additional question pa. Additional answer. Last card for additional answer. Okay, last card. Okay, sinasabi dito, there's a romance, no? May about sa love life, no? There's a love life. Kung baga nagtatanong ka about sa love life, there's a love life. And there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka na in all aspects, ha? And there's a no. May mga bagay na kailangan humindi ka, no? Hindi puro oo. May mga bagay na hindi pwede. No, wag. Ganon. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Let's see what is the messages of life. Okay, there's an hope. Wow! May pag-asa, no? So, let's see. As I enter the great of school of life, I hold tight to my faith in God. God loves, guides me, and guards me in every situation I encounter, regardless of what I confront. I trust in the truth nature. Today I welcome life. I know that life will always return at there will always be infinite possibilities for me. See? Kumbaga alam mo dito na yung mga bagay-bagay, diba? Kumbaga kung para sa'yo, ibibigay sa'yo. So, ano man maging posibilidad na yan, naniniwala ka na plano ni God yan, na hindi mo makuha pa sa ngayon, or may mga plano si God na ibibigay sa'yo sa takdang panahon. So, ganun talaga. Kailangan mong maniwala. at magtiwala sa pag-asang ipagkakaloob ng Diyos na naggawa. Ganon. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of December 2023 for the sign of Taurus. So this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sampog suporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na gumapaw man ang balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!